Beautiful bibik.
Babe, orang nanti komen.
Who cares?
Tika nak tunjuk my wedding picture. Sebenarnya Tika belum lagi hang because sepatutnya plan nak pindah rumah lah. I just nak tunjuk my husband my wedding look. Mana tahu we will fall in love all over again. Tapi yang Tika perasan, Kak Moon dia betul-betul cover semua Tika punya eye bag tau. Tapi there's so many layers to it. But I'm trying to do just one layer pakai Glad to Glow punya cushion foundation. So the first time Tika jumpa my husband, I don't know who he was tau. So macam my mom lah, dia macam cakap, you dating dengan cucu Zaitun? I was like, I tak kenal siapa Zaitun sebab yelah Tika kan this generation muda lah lagi. So tak berapa kenal Zaitun. The only one I tahu adalah Zaitun Samiun the singer. So it was so confusing sebab I was like asking my husband, so your nenek penyanyi lah. So this one Tika dah pakai separuh, yang ini belum lagi. I'm going to try the other side pula. Okay, sambung cerita about the nenek my husband tu penyanyi. And then my husband was like, penyanyi? And then, yeah, wow, that's amazing. I cakap macam tu lah kan. And then my husband cakap lah, yelah, my nenek nyanyi dekat karaoke. So I was like, Dia pun macam, Lepas tu kita, And then rupanya my mom cakap obat gigi Zaitun kisahnya. So that's how I know who he was. And he was quite cocky lah at first. Dia cakap, you kenal tak I siapa? I cakap, no. You kenal tak I siapa? I actress. So that's how I met my husband. Through my friend actually. So kita orang jumpa dekat restoran lah, Omakase waktu tu. I selalu pergi dengan my friend. Sebab before this, I'm always like hang out with kawan-kawan yang berada lah because I like their mindset. So in a way they introduced to my husband lah that time. So that's how we know each other through Omakase and all that. So Tika dah cover everything. As you can see, cover all my eye bag and cover my redness as well. Sebab Tika main concern adalah eye bag. In just that macam tu. So I tak payah nak layer-layer pakai concealer lah, pakai itulah, pakai inilah. So easy untuk siapa-siapa yang tak pandai makeup macam Tika. Just gonna lock dia punya itu dulu. So tak kejap lagi I banyak wrinkles. So this powder ni dia bantu untuk lock. So yang Tika perasan adalah shiny everywhere. Shiny on the nose, shiny on the eyes. Sebab Tika punya muka nampak nice kalau shiny. So my husband kan nama dia kan Lokman. So Tika macam tanyalah kan, okay, so you mix dengan Melayu ke Cina? Sebab I tengok muka you macam Cina. Cakap, I'm Chinese Muslim. Lepas tu dia cakap, oh mesti bapak you Cina. Lepas tu tengok bapak dia, no, I'm Chinese Muslim. And then lepas tu pergi dekat my mother-in-law pula, mak you mix Melayu ke? No, she's Chinese Muslim. So basically, it's my first time. Sebab I rasa ramai orang confused pasal benda ni, especially about religion. Actually, they are Chinese Muslim. It's just that macam Tika tak perasan yang oh, actually you are Chinese Muslim. There's such thing. I always ingatkan Muslim is only untuk Melayu saja. That's why I was confused. Siapa yang Melayu? Mak you ke daddy you? No, we are really Chinese Muslim. Memang lahir Muslim. Oh, so consider I'm very lucky. Dah lah kaya, Muslim, terus kahwin lah guys. So sekarang Tika dah nampak dah settle everything, the makeup hampir sama macam wedding night macam Kak Moon, tapi of course not so good as hers. So I can't wait. I nak show my husband this look. Hey, what do you think?
Woi,
you tak rasa I macam cantik macam dulu ke?
why takut dulu ayah cerita hantu you takut.
So am I still pretty?
Always.
Are you sure?
Yeah, baby.
Are you sure?
Yes. Beautiful bibik.
Babe, orang nanti komen.
Who cares?